Welcome back, ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. This video is in collaboration with Good Molecules. I have featured them on this channel sometimes, I think last year or year before. But thank God they reached out to me once more to try their new products. Good Molecules, if you all remember when I won a fridge, a skincare fridge, that they sent me the fridge and some skincare, you know, and all that good stuff. And since then, I've been using their products every now and then. I'm not going to lie that I'm consistent on their products, but I am grateful that they reached out to me again to work with them. So I'm going to do the unboxing of the product that I received from them, and I'm going to, use it on my skin, use it for a while, then come back and give you guys my feedback, because I'm doing the unboxing today. So I will start using it for a couple of weeks. Anyway, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like my content or you like my pretty face, please subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a likes and turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. On this channel, we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank, which Good Molecule is all about too. They have very affordable skincare products which I have used in the past before, and they're very effective. I'm just the type that I just like to stay with what I've been using for long. It takes me a while before I switch from something to something else and stay on that thing. I'm always like, whatever I've been using for a very long time, it's working for me, I just stay with it. That's just the reason why I've been in and out in their products. Not that they are not good, they're very, very good, and they're very, very affordable. So this is it, Good Molecules. You can find them on Instagram, and also you can shop on their website. And this is it. I know when they reached out to me to pick what I want, I told them I would like something that has got to do with anti-aging skincare, because that's what I use. So, and what I have in here is just a card from them. See difference in your skin, that's what is written at the back. And after 10 years of working in beauty, there's funny things I noticed about skincare. Regardless of how much you spend, results are usually the same. You see what I'm talking about? Like, you don't have to break the bank to look good. Honestly speaking, the truth is the most brands spend more on the jar than the formula inside. These are kind of a testimony from people, I guess. People do some kind of packaging and make it look so pretty, so luxurious, so you spend so much money on it. But if you buy over the counter or you buy from Good Molecules, they're still going to do the same thing pretty much. That's just the bottom line. I don't want to read all this and bore you guys out. So I received 4 products from them. The first one says overnight exfoliating treatment. So this is exfoliation. We all need to exfoliate our skin. I do mine twice a week. Some people say they do it like maybe like 3 or 4 times in a week. I feel like that's just too much. You're just going to strip your skin of its natural sebum. So you just want to stay to 2 times a week. That's what I do. All right. And this is the overnight exfoliating treatment formulated with AHA plus BAH to help resurface and renew the skin. Basically, that's what you do when you're exfoliating. You're getting rid of the dead skin, dry skin, and you're renewing it so that you can have a youthful look. All right, that's what it's all about. And the next one is the ultra hydrating facial oil, which I use in the night. I use oil after I finish my skincare, regardless of the season, either winter or summer. I use oil. That's the last thing I use on my skin. And this one is formulated with camellia and sea buckthorn oil, and hydrate and protect and nourish your skin. This is discoloration correcting serum. This one is going to improve the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots. This one is a niacinamide brightening toner. This one is its work is to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. So if you have enlarged pores, this one is going to minimize it, it's going to reduce it, and the more you keep using it, probably will not see the pores anymore. As usual, they have the steps at the back of the box. So with all this that I've seen, I think I'm going to make it my nighttime routine, not morning routine, because this I have I mean, I could use the serum in the morning, I could use the toner, but I like to exfoliate at night because I don't want to exfoliate in the morning when I'll be going to work. I use sunscreen, but I still don't want to expose my skin to the harsh sun out there. So sure that you can find them on Instagram, also on their website. They are also at Ulta Beauty. I found this in the box, and at the back they have the steps of how to, layer your skincare, and some of their products are there. So my face is freshly cleansed, it's clean. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with the niacinamide brightening toner. We're going to put that in the cotton pad as usual, and just use it to, this is how it looks like in the bottle. If you've been following me, you will see that recently I kind of did my product empties, but I decided not to include this in those ones because this is not what I use regularly. And also I would like to call your attention to the fact that whenever I'm using this products, skincare, that from any other company aside from the one I regularly use, I normally stop using my own during that period, so I don't mix it together in order for me to be able to give you my genuine opinion, my genuine review, if you understand what I mean. So this is the overnight exfoliating treatment. They recommend you don't use this with any other acidic skin treatment, and also if you're using retinol, you can use this the same time you're using this. So this is a clear, it's clear. Then you're supposed to have 3 drops in your palm, then you rub it on your face. Here is what I have on my palm from the 3 drops. I'll go ahead and rub it on my face and my neck. It does have like a burning sensation when you first apply it. It's exfoliant, so I think it's expected. But the burning it's not unbearable, and it does die down, like cool down after a while. The next one is their Discoloration correcting serum. We're supposed to put just a little drop on our palm, which I already did, and this is what I have in my palm that I'm going to be rubbing on my face. And don't forget your neck as well. So I'm going to go off the camera to use my moisturizer, because the moisturizer that I'm going to be using is not by this company. Well, I'll be back to finish the last step, which is their products. So this is their last step, the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil. I already put some on my palm, so you're just going to go ahead and press it on your skin. Like I said earlier, ladies, I'm going to use this for like at least 4 weeks. Then I will come back and give you my final results, my final review, my final opinion about this. It feels warm. And this is how my face is looking afterwards. So I'll see you all, ladies, in 4 weeks. Ladies, this is my final review. I enjoy using this product. They're very effective and very affordable. I recommend you look into them, into Good Molecules products. I really love the exfoliating overnight treatment. It's brightening up my skin and gives me beautiful glow whenever I wake up. I wish the bottle of the oil is a little bit bigger so I would have a more experience of it, but overall they are all effective. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.